Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Kabuskov 0. I'm joined by Mutau from them.
Sure, Sibo.
Yeah.
I was one of those guys who were here to Minya. But anyway, where am I? Even if the chairman can say Kaizer Chiefs is a big team, Chairman Patrice Motsepe, he once confessed that Kaizer Chiefs is a big team.
Yeah.
So we congratulate Kaizer Chiefs, Tibo. Yeah, so they deserve better. Like they play a good game. Like I was expecting maybe to lose or something else, but they proved us wrong. So as Sundowns, we congratulate you. Like you are adding value in CAF Confederation. Yeah. As we are not in hurry and we are not in any way. We are just standing there waiting for you guys to compete, and then you arrive to us. Yeah. Already special occasion. Yeah, so like also Orlando Pirates. Yeah, I just want to congratulate them for their what do you say? Preliminary game. Preliminary game. What is it? what do we call it?
I've got question about us black people.
Yeah.
If we make mistake, English, you laugh at us.
Yeah.
But when whites try to speak Sotho or Zulu,
You
they make
celebrate.
mistake. You don't laugh at them.
Yeah.
So we were not born in England.
So whatever they call it, or congratulating Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs for going through this win. Like we were not expecting it as usual. So our game is at Lucas Moripe. As I told you, Stibo, I'm rushing there to Lucas Moripe. Like I'm a football lover, guys. I'm not just only supporting Mamelodi Sundowns. We are moving all around. Wherever football is there, we are supporting it. Yeah. So I just want to say congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. They play a beautiful game. And then another thing is, Tibo, what I can say to Kaizer Chiefs.
What?
Why did you let Nabi go? Like we were supposed to be laughing this weekend. But now we were pretending like we are happy. We are not happy, my guy.
Not happy at all.
Yeah, but Nabi, if he was here, Chiefs was going to lose. But they let Nabi to go so that we can no longer be happy every weekend. Yeah, so I think assistant coach like Banwile Nabi, and it's good for them because Vele it can prove that assistant coach Merakwa is better than Nabi because Nabi was doing nothing. Bamunwile byang Stibo. Bamunwile kalibaka lore ne afa di player instruction. Ya butsa Vilakazi right. Assistant coach nare left. Yeah, because Nabini abulela ka language ya high, ka site ya high, and then all of Mutsaka English or no, Mr. Nabi say go to the left. Yeah, Stibo. Mara, I'm so disappointed because Nabi is gone now.
I didn't want to comment, but I didn't want to comment, but I have to comment because he can't cook Kaizer Chiefs while I'm standing here.
He's cooking now.
No, he's cooking. No, it's not like that, Brian. So I think Coach Nabi to comment on that, your assistant coach is aye left or aye right. It's just a confusion to our opposition club. Why I'm saying so, Hortmani, remember technical team ibiditse ke Nabi. Hore ba khono ke raspanisele ke mang ke Nabi. I don't think they can betray him. That's why Nabi have mentioned something like if he's leaving, gonna live with technical team. But for now, whatever the Chiefs in Lukisa, the coach, everything is on the table. It's their decision. Hore ba tsena ba carry on or aska carry on. But let him continue.
ke a tshwana ke a tshwana
Sure, Stibo.
Nka man of the match.
Man of the match waka, like I can give it to the referee. Yeah. Stamlo referee man of the match.
Why?
Yeah, because he handled the game so nice.
Yeah.
Like he haba biased and then azanke aba somehow. As far as we are winning, Stibo. Yeah, resignele mapojogisi amaitu Stibo. Yeah, we have signed 2 Portuguese Stibo. Yeah, and then Valuri Ronaldo Udile. But it's a sign that we were going to sign Ronaldo, but he's too old. That's why we signed those youngsters. But to sign players from Portugal, it's a sign that if Ronaldo was still fit, we are going to bring him here in South Africa, Cristiano. Yeah, apa ke team ya Motsipo Stibo. Sure.
Thank you, mama. So, Nelly Mafoda.